Hey there! Moving is one of the most expensive and chaotic things you'll ever do, and the costs sneak up from every direction. Movers, deposits, setup fees, a whole new home to furnish. Let me walk you through the Moving and Relocation Budget Planner, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it and move without the money surprises. The dashboard is your command center. Budget summary at the top, estimated versus actual for moving costs, your new home, and deposits, all rolling up to a grand total. Below that, your key metrics, total budget, spent so far, what's remaining, and even your cost of living difference. Our example move comes to about $15,600, tracking a little under budget. The moving cost tab is where you estimate every line item: movers, truck rental, packing supplies, insurance, cleaning, utility transfers, tips, temporary housing, all of it. Enter an estimate, then the actual as you pay, and the difference column shows you exactly where you went over. That mover bill came in $300 over the quote, which is exactly the kind of surprise this catches. The quote comparison tab saves you real money before you even book. Line up 3 moving companies side by side, their services, their coverage, and their total price. Full service movers at $34.50 versus a DIY van at $18.50. Seeing those next to each other is how you make the call with your eyes open. The new home budget tab handles everything you'll need the first month in the new place. First month's rent, insurance, utility deposits, groceries, and all the furniture and essentials, sorted by priority from essential to nice to have. So when the budget gets tight, you know exactly what can wait. The cost of living tab might change your whole decision. Put your current city's monthly expenses next to the new city's, category by category, and it shows you the difference in dollars and percent. Our move saves about $460 a month, over $5,000 a year, and that's the number that tells you if the move actually pays off. The moving checklist is an 8-week countdown, so nothing falls through the cracks. Every task organized by how many weeks out it is, with a status you check off. Research movers 8 weeks out, change your address 2 weeks out, and a completion percentage that keeps you honest. The address change tracker is the tab everyone forgets until it's too late. Every organization that needs your new address, the bank, the DMV, insurance, subscriptions, with a status for each. No more mail going to your old place 3 months later. And the deposit tracker recovers money most people leave behind. Every deposit you paid and what you got back, from your old security deposit to utility deposits at the new place. It tracks your net position so you actually chase down what's owed to you. That's the whole planner. 8 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go make your move a plan instead of a panic. Thanks for watching.